This video is about how to delete your Facebook page permanently. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So in order to delete a Facebook page permanently, you need to open Facebook application. At the top right corner of your screens, you will see your profiles icon. So click on it. Now right next to your name, you will see this drop down option. So click on it and select the page that you want to delete. Now click on your page icon at the top right corner. Then click on the settings icon. Click on page settings. Now scroll down and click on this access and control option. Select deactivation and deletion. Now click on this delete page option and then click on continue. Once again, click on continue. Scroll down to the bottom and click on continue again. Now you will be required to enter your Facebook account password. And after you have entered the password, click on this continue option. And once you click on continue, your Facebook page will be deleted permanently. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.